Hey, Gypsy Brows here, and we're going to talk about the healing process of lip neutralization. The healing process of lip neutralization, the pictures and videos that you're seeing is the immediately after. So you'll see dark lips and you'll see the immediately after where they're very vibrant and pink. But that's not actually the healing process, okay? So they're going to be pink on the first day. And a lot of people freak out after the first week is over because the lips go darker. So I'm going to explain the healing process. So what you'll see here on the first picture, right up top, is the first day. The first picture on the top is immediately after. But after the first week, they're going to go darker. So that's the normal healing process. A lot of artists skip over the fact that they're going to go darker before they go lighter. So people tend to freak out. But this is the normal healing process. The skin cycles every 28 days on normal skin. For lips, it cycles a little longer. So you're looking at over 30 days. The pigment is implanted 7 layers down. So what's happening is the pigment is implanted, but it's slowly rising back to the top. So the lips go back to its normal color, which is the dark color. The color is still there and it's slowly rising back to the top. So it's going to go darker and then it's slowly rising. So it's going to turn pink a little bit, more pink, pink, and then it's time to come back for your touch up. So the full amount of time for the color to process on lips is 6 to 8 weeks. We can't bring you back in for a touch up on lip neutralization for 6 to 8 weeks. That's the full amount of time. You'll see a big difference even in that 2-week gap between 6 to 8 weeks on the lip neutralization. So you're looking at 2 months. How many sessions are recommended for lip neutralization? I usually recommend 2 to 3 sessions depending on how saturated and how dark the lips are. So if you have extremely dark lips, of course, I'm going to recommend 3 sessions. So you're looking at 2 months for one session, 2 months for the second session, and 2 months for the third session. So you're looking at a total of 6 months to get your lips from extremely dark to pink. If they're medium dark, it takes 4 months to get it there. Just like I tell people, if you've had dark lips for 30 or 40 years, make this investment of 4 to 6 months to get them pink, because once they're pink and you maintain that color, they're pink forever. So is lip neutralization worth the investment? That's completely up to you to decide, but I absolutely think that it's worth the investment. It's a beautiful procedure as long as you trust the process and stick to the aftercare routine. So I hope this video helps and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thank you.